While most smart rings on the market stick to the same basic formula, a plain metal band that quietly tracks data behind the scenes, the Rogbid SR-15 Ultra is actively charting a different path. Instead of forcing you to open a smartphone app just to view your daily metrics, this wearable introduces a built-in digital display and a haptic vibration motor right on your finger. The integration of an exterior screen is the most notable shakeup to the standard smart ring design. With a quick tap on the outer edge of the band, the display wakes up to show the time, your step count, real-time heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep stats, and current battery life. It is an incredibly practical tweak for anyone who wants a glanceable look at their vitals without constant smartphone distractions. Even with the added screen and haptics, the ring preserves a remarkably lightweight and familiar form factor. It is forged from a durable titanium alloy, comes in classic black, silver, and gold finishes, and is available in US sizes 8 through 14. The internal vibration motor allows the ring to buzz for incoming calls, text messages, social media alerts, and silent alarms. On top of that, it supports basic gesture controls, letting you use subtle hand movements to perform tasks like scrolling through short-form video feeds completely hands-free. On the health front, the SR-15 Ultra covers all the essential metrics expected from a premium 2026 wearable. It continuously monitors your heart rate and $SPO_2, tracks heart rate variability, and maps out light and deep sleep stages overnight. Everything syncs via Bluetooth 5.2 to a companion app compatible with modern iOS and Android devices. Best of all, Rogbid does not lock your health insights behind a paywall. All historical data and fitness reports are entirely subscription-free. Engineered to keep up with your daily routine, the ring features an IP68 and 5 ATM water resistance rating, making it perfectly safe for showers, hand washing, or swimming laps. On its own, the battery lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. However, it ships with a magnetic wireless charging case that holds 7 additional top-ups, effectively letting you live off the grid for an entire month. The Rogbid SR-15 Ultra is available now through the company's online store for an incredibly competitive $99.90.